Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 5.6 question number 4. Try to construct triangles using matchsticks. Some are shown here. Can you make a triangle with 3 matchsticks, 4 matchsticks, 5 matchsticks, 6 matchsticks? Remember, you have to use all the available matchsticks in each case. Name the type of triangle in each case. If you cannot make a triangle, think of reasons for it. Right? 3 matchstick. Right? With the help of 3 matchstick, can we make a triangle? Let us find. Suppose if we draw in this way, that is like this. One matchstick is here. 1, 2, and 3, right? That means we can make a triangle with the help of 3 matchstick, right? And what is the name of the triangle? You see that all the sides are same. This side, this side, this side are same. Therefore it is known as equilateral triangle. It is known as all the sides are same. That means it is known as equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Right? And here you also see that all the angles are same also, because all the sides are same, therefore all the angles will be 60 degree. This is 60 degree, this is also 60 degree, and this is also 60 degree. Right? All the angles are same, and all the angles are less than 90 degree, therefore you can say it as acute angled triangle. Right. Therefore we can say it acute angled triangle. It is known as acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. Right? Therefore, here the type of triangle is equilateral triangle, and number 2 we can say it as according to angle, that is acute angled triangle. Now, question number B. Can we make a triangle with 4 matchsticks? Let us try. Let us try whether we can make with 4 matchsticks or not. Right? Now, question number B. Question of 4 matchstick. Let us take 4 matchsticks. Suppose I have taken one matchstick here. 1, right? Again 2, 3, and another 4. Right? That means we cannot make matchstick. Cannot make a triangle with 4 matchstick. Why? Because this is not a closed figure. Right? This is not a closed figure. The reason is, for reason B, this is not a closed figure. This is not closed. Therefore, it is not a triangle. Right? That means we cannot make a triangle with 4 matchsticks. What is the reason? Because this is not closed. You have to remember that you have to take matchsticks of equal length. Right? You have to remember this one. Right? Now, question number C with 5 matchsticks. Question number C, that is 5 matchsticks. Let us take 5 matchsticks. Now, question number C. See, here you see 5 matchsticks. Here you see we have taken 5 matchsticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? That means we can make a triangle with 5 matchsticks. Here you see. Right? Right? Now, suppose what is the this side has 2 matchsticks. That means this side and this side is same. Right? That means two sides are same. Therefore, we can say that this is the isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. This is a isosceles triangle, right? Now you see the angle. Here you see the angle is all are acute angle. You see this angle, and this angle, right? All the angles are less than 90 degree. Therefore, you can say it as acute angled triangle. Acute, according to naming of triangles according to angle. Acute angled triangle. Right? That means question number C, we can also make a triangle with 5 matchsticks, and that will be isosceles triangle and acute angle triangle. According to side, it is isosceles triangle, and according to angle, it is acute angled triangle. Now question number D, 6 matchsticks, right? If we take 6 matchsticks, what will happen you see? 6 matchsticks. If we take 6 matchsticks, what will happen? Right? 6 matchsticks. Let us take 6 matchsticks. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? We have taken 6 matchsticks. That means we can make a triangle with these matchsticks. You have to touch the matchsticks. Right? You have to touch all the matchsticks. Six matchsticks. That means here you see all the sides are same. This side, and this side. All the sides are same. Therefore, it is known as equilateral triangle. Therefore, it is known as equilateral triangle. It is known as equilateral triangle. This is equilateral triangle. And also you see, since all the sides are same, the angle will be 60 degree. This is 60 degree. This angle is also 60 degree. And this angle is also 60 degree. Therefore, all the angles are less than 90 degree. Therefore, you can say it that the name of the triangle will be acute angled triangle. That is acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle. Triangle. This is acute angle triangle, right? We have discussed this one. That is, can you construct triangles using matchsticks? Some are shown here. Can you make a triangle with 3 matchsticks? The answer is yes. Can you make triangle with 4 matchsticks? No. Can you make with 5 matchsticks? Yes. Can you make triangle with 6 matchsticks? Yes. This is the solution of question number 4, exercise 5.6. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. And also press the notification bell such that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.